Hello there friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to block quick settings on your Samsung lock screen. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app. This is the app you use to manage all your phone's settings. Step 2. Go to Lock Screen and AOD. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD to open the lock screen settings. Step 3. Open Secure Lock Settings. Next, tap Secure Lock Settings. You may be asked to enter your password, PIN, or pattern to proceed. Step 4. Block Quick Settings. Now find the lock network and security option and turn it on. This will block quick settings from being accessed on the lock screen. Your Samsung phone's lock screen quick settings are now blocked. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.